walk the crowded streets of Manila town. Children beg for coins while the rains pour down. Billions lost in projects that never see the light. Our families go hungry every single night. I saw a bridge half built, a road washed away. Funds went missing, that's the game they play. Greed's in our veins, it whispers to the soul. A natural fire, but it burns out of control. Greed is the root, the hunger we can't kill. It hides in the palace, it poisons the will. From the slums to the Senate, the story's the same. Poverty's the price, corruption's the game. I wanted just enough, a fair share to survive. But the higher they climb, the more they connive. Ambition turns sour when the pockets are wide. A nation kept hostage by their selfish pride. From ghost schools in the barrios to floodways undone, I pay my taxes, yet justice is none. The poor pay the price for the greed of the few, and I'm left here asking, what more can we do? Greed is the root, the hunger can't kill. It hides in the palace, it poisons the will. From the slums to the Senate, the story's the same. Poverty's the price, corruption's the game.